as Stripes approaches the cat grass. No, the grass cat.
It starts to do press-ups.
It starts to do press-ups. I'm going to see if I can stroke it, Stripes. I almost called you Whiskers.
Can you not clearly see?
You. Oh, he's actually letting us stroke him today. Oh.
Don't worry, grass.
Oh.
Well, to be fair, you are the grass cat.
Why does it behold grass?
But, no, I won't accept that. He's found a hole.
Are you going to bury yourself in a hole? No. As we slowly approach the cat again. I think Squeak is better at doing intros. With us, we just don't know what to say. Zoom. Yeah, I'm zooming in on the cat. That's why the camera is right in his face almost. Oh no, don't just your butt. God. Zoom out, zoom out. Yeah, unless you want to watch a video of the cat's butt, just write that in the comments. Which I don't think anyone wants to see. No, zoom in. I'm going to see if I can feed him grass. Probably not a good idea, but yep. Cat. Cat pup. What's the cat's name?
Let's just call it grass cat.
Yeah, right, grass cat. Grass cat. No, don't sniff the grass, come over here. Grass cat.
Grass cat.
Grass cat.
Yeah.
Grass cat. Yeah, we're only calling him grass cat because he doesn't have collar and we don't know his name. And we're not just going to go to the vet and ask to scan this cat.
That's a bit far away.
Grass cat. Grass cat. Look, what's this? Grass cat. What's this? Oh, you just... Grass cat. What's this? Grass cat. It proves his name. Grass cat. Grass cat. What's this? Right, that's not long enough. He's like, oh, what's this? Grass cat, what's this? Oh, that's cute. Say no. As he attacks my hand. And, oh, he's so playful. Oh, wait, he's still a kitten, isn't he, though? That's why he likes playing. He likes sticks. Sticks. You're like, oh, that's adorable. I'm sorry, but you have... Wait, is that a spiky one?
No.
Okay, that's good. Attack. Attack the stick. Attack. And attack the stick. No. Oh, that's just so cute. Stripes, I want to have a go.
Okay, then come on.
Stripes, hold the camera. Stripes, grass cat. Look, what's this? This is really cute.
Oh, I need to pick up my toy.
Oh, he's got it.
You got it. Come on. Don't move it, just slowly move it around now.
Oh, yeah.
This is so much fun.
Oh, that's so cute.
I want to do this for hours.
We have to show Squeak for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, Squeak at the moment.
And sadly, kittens, we are running out of time.
We can do a part 2.
Yep, we'll do a part 2. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Grass cat.